Hello everyone, another day, another vlog. Today is Airbnb cleaning is Bellorosi. Yes guys, ang lilinisin natin today ay Airbnb ng Milan, Italy. And then, this is my area today guys. Ayan guys, yung natapos ko na beddings. Sa tingin nyo, super linis yan guys. Ayan guys, yung mga natapos kong linis. Ito yung sa baba. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share, like, and share. Bye-bye.